won, and in the American version, King Kong won.
Yeah. It goes back. It goes back further. It goes back to Famous Monsters retold it, but Spacemen magazine, which was an offshoot of Famous Monsters, so as early as 1963.
So when the movie came out,
Yeah, they were telling that. They were saying
that's where that myth came about.
Yeah, and I said, I'm not even sure. I remember reading those books in library class in school. Like, I remember.
For some reason, our librarian was like, "Oh, you can't take those books out." I think she wanted to keep them for herself or something. I don't know. It was like we got in trouble if we borrowed those from the library. I was like,
"Isn't that the point?"
Yeah.
But I remember those books being in the library. I probably read that, but it was almost one of those. Every school kid knew it.
Yeah.
Every school kid knew there was, or thought that there were two endings of that film, and the myth just perpetuated, and everybody. When I tell people I write the book, that's one of the first questions. Do you talk about the two endings? And I go into it in pretty detail. As we know, in the American version, even though it is the same exact ending, there's nothing different.